Hello again. This is the Excel page for the language I've got the series on. I'm going to open up a new window, blank, and what we're going to do now is we're going to make a conlang out of vowels. So yeah, obviously this wouldn't happen naturally, because, I mean, why? Why would it? That's a terrible idea. And, yeah, so, just for diversity, let's make it, I don't know, object, subject, verb, which is really rare. Okay, so last time I started with the word for me, which now I come to think of it as quite egotistic, but I'm going to try and retrace my steps of what I did with yeet. So, out of vowels, what about iae? So that equals, no, don't know what that is, go away. Iae equals me. In yeetse, you can sort of tell that ye and your sort of rhyme, as in they start with ya. That's a coincidence. You don't need me and you to start the same way. Oh yeah. No, I'm so used to using a phonetical alphabet. Or, hold on, we can simulate vowels. Not vowels. There's not a word for anything other. Or yeah, no, L isn't a vowel. Or, okay, fine. Oh yeah's fine. Equals you. So I just thought I might use this, both because the idea of making a language out of vowels sounds brilliant, and also because, you know, I want to show that making a language isn't just writing gibberish, defining what it is, and then selecting an order in which you say it, and then that. You have to actually combine them and take grammatical differences, and time, and pronunciation. It's accents. I haven't got accents, and still haven't gotten to a writing system. I'm really excited for that. So, I can't remember what I put next. I think I put me, us, and they. So, let's make oi, sure. So, ia, oi. No, that's... Okay, a lot of e's in here, but... Okay. So this would mean... us. Oia would... No, hold on. Oia equals... I forgot. They. Okay, right. We've already gotten pretty far. Let's stick to the... Oh, that was a voice crack. Let's stick to these, because, you know, this is a sample language. I think I might... This isn't really a series, just to show you how it's done, and because I like this idea. So, verbs... we haven't got anything to derive from. Okay, right. They, us. What verb could we start with? Many. Oh, yeah, no, hold on, okay, adjectives. We could do adjectives oi, which is many. I think I've got a cold. Oi equals many. So that is the equivalent of tse in yeetse. We could make a noun. yeah, let's make a noun for animal. That seems like a pretty obvious thing to come up with. It's really hard with nouns, because you have only got 5 things, and the double-barreled. Oi, no. Ye. Hold on, we haven't used you yet. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I've got a cold. Eeyore. Sure. This means creature. So far we haven't... Oh, I don't know how to spell creature. I'm an idiot. Yeah. So far we haven't done any combining. If plural, then I'm doing this a bit like coding, like you would if this is like this, then do this, if else, except, you know, as a rule book. If plural, then add oi. Okay, good. So, still haven't got any, hold on. I think we might have to make this a two-parter, because the software I'm using to, what do you call it, record this, makes me have to pay to record more than 15 minutes, which is very scummy of them, and I hate them for it, but... Okay, I wish this was interactive, like I could... Actually, you know, I haven't got any, people following, or subscribed yet. Apart from family members, so hello family members. How are you doing? No, hold on, what's this? Nouns, adjectives, verbs. Okay, creature. So we could have a word for hunt, which would probably be derived from creature, because you wouldn't hunt people. Well, not yet. So, you're... yeah. You're... us, so let's add us, animals, and then derive that from hunting. So, E-I-A, it's very hard to pronounce this. E-I-A, oh no, okay. E-A-A, E-E-U. E-A-A-A, E-E-U. Yeah, even I'm finding this difficult. So, verbs. So, ea, which is the beginning of us, although not all of it, as if you repeated this, you'd lose certain parts. Actually, you know what, I think you'd lose it, yeah, which makes it slightly easier. Iae, io. Yeah. Iae, io. E-I-E. Okay, so this is meaning hunt, which is, you know, hunting. We should probably have a word for hunter. So, the word friend, like we have in... Okay, wait, for a start, remember this is object, subject, verb. So we can now say, we hunt the animal, but we would say it as the animal... we hunt. So to say this, we'd say I-o, I-a-e-o-e, I-a-e-o. it has a strange rhythmic pattern to it. So yeah, we could also add many. Oh, also, we should define where adjectives go. Let's go before nouns. If adjective start at beginning of noun modified. Good. If adjective, then start at beginning of noun modified. So this is a bit of a weird language, mainly because it's just vowels, and also because object, subject, verb. So adjectives. So now if you wanted to say we hunt the many animals, you'd say iaeoe. No, sorry, I'm too used to subject first. Ior. No, sorry. Oe, ior. Iaeor. Iaio. Very, very hard. We're nearly up. I've got 4 minutes left. So, what's next? You could make feminine and masculine, or past, present, future. So normally past, present, future derives from forward, back. Except some language, well, lots of languages do it differently. That's why it's a thing. So let's say this culture does up and down. Up is future, down is past. Why not? So up would derive from sky. Sky, we haven't got a word for sky, so more creativity needed. Oh yeah. No, that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. What was that word again? Sky. Yeah, sky. Yeah, sky. Sky? Yeah, sky. We should probably have a word for blue first. Hold on. How about we make this a word for blue? Oh, yeah. Is the word for blue now. Because I imagine... Actually, no. If you found some sort of big object in the sky, you'd name it first before giving it a colour. So they'd probably name the colour after the sky. Okay. Okay, let's move this back here. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I think I've got to go soon. Okay, just quickly, I'll finish sky off. Sky. And then blue. Oh yeah. So that's the same, except without the double-barreled E at the end. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, let's get rid of... hold on. No. Barely got a minute left. Okay, oh yeah means... Hold on, let me finish. Blue. Blue air. Okay, so this is the beginning. Maybe tomorrow I'll make the second episode. So yeah, this is a language with only vowels. It's very hard, I think. Oh, no, I can't go on about this. I've barely got 10 minutes. 5, 4, 3, Yeah, bye.